I wanted to take a second and show you how easy it is to import assignments from your previous modules into a new module. Ms. Mace asked us to create a module titled First Semester and then your subject name and your last name. So I've already created this module in one of my virtual classes. Now all I have to do, you can see all my modules, my weekly modules are in here. I need to go in and I need to take all of this work for the weekly modules and import it into my first semester module. As you can see, I've already started doing that. I just want to share with you how easy it is to get that done. I'm going to go to my next module I want to import, which is week of August 10th through August 14th. I will click the three dots here on my right, and then I will scroll down to where it says Move Contents. So click on Move Contents. I want this to go in, you can choose all the modules you have, but I want this to go into first semester Georgia Studies. And since this is August, I want this to go at the top. And as you can see, once I click here, it will not let me open the module anymore because that content has already been moved to my first semester module. Okay, so I will have to do this, move content for each module that I have. I'm going to unpublish these so I know which one's which. Move content, first semester Georgia Studies. I want this one to go at the top as well. So I'm going to click move. This module is done. Again, do the same thing for each one at the top and then move. Once you get it all imported, obviously there's things in mind that the kids don't necessarily need to make up. So I will go through like test dates, overviews, and things like that, and I will delete those from here before I share this to Commons. But in order to share this to Commons, all you have to do again is click the three dots of your first semester module, click Share to Commons, and your Commons drive will show up. You want to share this with all of Paulding County so your teachers at Dobbins can see this. The title, the description, I'm going to put Georgia Studies first semester work. I always tag my items by my name to make it easier to find. And my modules always have a picture of an elephant to make it easier for people to find. And then it doesn't matter who the grade level is. And then all you have to do is click share. And this will share your module to the Commons. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, or you can come down to my room and ask me, or you can find someone on your grade level that knows how to do this as well.